Do people who write glossy cookbooks about regional cooking actually do any proper research? Sometimes I doubt it. Welcome back to this delightful quiet corner of Extremadura, western Spain, where I've been reading up on the local specialities. Here's a beautiful recipe for Solomillo Ibérico a la Extremeña, pork tenderloin with apples, supposedly a la Extremeña, meaning Extremaduran style. The only problem is no one's ever heard of such a concoction. Still, I won't be put off. It looks lovely, perfect for the holidays, and ever so simple. Let's have a go.
Esto te va a salir súper tierno. Esto es mantequilla. Mantequilla cuando te la estés comiendo. Ibérico.
Well, at least the pork is local and authentic, from the special Ibérico pigs raised for the finest quality Spanish hams. So a couple of apples, an onion, white wine and brandy. I'm using a little meat glaze here, reduced veal stock, but I wouldn't bother, just chicken stock is fine. The pork is seasoned well on all sides. And browned all over high heat.
Oh, you.
Keep them nice and warm while preparing the apple mixture. Onion sweated gently in the flavorful oil. Once soft, add the apple and cook gently for a few minutes. Brandy, reduced till dry. White wine, reduced by half. Stock in and cook for a few minutes. The pork's placed back in to finish cooking for a few minutes. So a local speciality that no one's ever heard of. They don't know what they're missing. I think it needs adopting immediately. Quite superb. Go ahead and click on the playlist for other, even more authentic specialities from Extremadura. Buen provecho.